To start, place a white A4 sheet on a hard surface floor so that the heel is clearly visible. Have the child take off their socks and roll up their pants leg. Before starting, test with only the white sheet of paper. Then step forward with the right foot. Position the phone towards the foot to measure from behind. Then capture a second image from above. Be sure all 4 corners of the sheet are always clearly visible. Now, switch feet, and stepping forward with the left foot, repeat the previous measurements. It's important to measure both feet because often the 2 feet are different sizes. For us to recommend the best possible shoe size, we need to determine which foot is larger. And in the final result, the perfect fitting shoe size for the selected shoe model is displayed and can now be added directly to your shopping cart.